Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In exercise 11, we are to tell what these forms are and then give the English meaning. There's quite a few of them, so let's just do the odds together. So here we have Deus, which is God, and it is nominative singular. Here we have Filiis, which is either dative plural, to the sons, or ablative plural, by, with, or from the sons. Here we have amicus, which is this ending here, so it's friend. Here we have amicis, so we took the word amicus and we dropped the us. The root is amic, and to that we're adding the dative plural or the ablative plural. And it means either to the friends or by, with, or from the friends. If it's dative, to the friends, or for the friends, if it's ablative, by, with, or from the friends. Some people will say amicis in the restored classical pronunciation, in the Italian or ecclesiastical pronunciation, amicis. Filium is son. I'm going to take filius here, filii, filio, and there it is right there, filium. Number 23, Christianorum. Take Christianos here, which means Christian. Christiani, Christiano, Christianum, Christiano, Christiani, and then Christianorum, so it's genitive plural right here. And it means of the Christians. All right, we'll drop down to number 9, Christiani. Here we have Christianus. If we remove the root word equus and replace it with Christian, we have Christianos, and in the nominative plural, we have Christiani, which means the Christians. Number 17, we have servo. In the restored classical pronunciation, people are going to say servo. So if we replace equus with serv, S-E-R-V, servus, or servus, in the restored classical pronunciation, we'd have servus, servi, servo, servum, servo. And this one has a macron over the O, so it is ablative. So it's this one, ablative singular, servo. And that means by, with, or from the slave. Number 25, Christus. Christus simply means Christ, and it's in the nominative singular. Singular on this side, plural on this side. I'll leave that up there. Okay, here we have, let's go down to number 11, servorum, or in the restored classical pronunciation, servorum. So servus, servi, servo, servum, servi, servo, servi, servorum, of the slaves. Of the slaves, servorum. Deo, number 19. Deus, dei, deo, deum, deo. It's either dative or ablative. I strike that, reverse it. I circled those in the wrong direction. But anyway, dative would be to God, and ablative by, with, or from God. And then right next to it, we actually have Deus, dei, dei, deo, deum, deo. Right next to it, and number 27, we have dei, and this means of God in the genitive singular. All right, let's drop down to filio, because we're just doing the odds together. So we have filius, filii, filio, filium, filio. So it's either dative or ablative. Filio would be to the son in the dative, or by, with, or from the son in the ablative. Amicorum over here. We have amicus, amici, amico, amicum, amico, amici, amicorum, amicorum right here. Acting like equorum would be of the friends. And then finally we have amico, amicus, amici, amici, amico, amicum, amico. Amico is to the friend, by, or I'm sorry, to the friend right here, dative, or by, with, or from the friend, ablative. All right, all of these, including the ones we skipped, are going to be included right here in the second declension masculine. So all you have to do is look at these charts, figure out which ending you're using, and figure out whether it's nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, ablative, singular, or plural. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.